Hey everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews, and stop going through a ton of paper towels when you need to clean a surface. This here is the Nano Towel, exclusively using Nano Lawn Fibers, and it's from the original Nano Towels. And this is just not your ordinary microfiber rag. This is going to be able to clean any surface without any chemicals, just using water. And again, you can use this on pictures, TVs, your electronics, dusting off any surface that collects dust. This is going to be able to trap that dust, and you're going to have this here is a 14 by 14 inch version, and it's in this seafoam teal, really lovely color. Maintaining these to keep them in these tip top shape is pretty straightforward. Use warm soapy water, let them hang out to dry. You can put them in the washer, but make sure you're not using any fabric softeners or bleach. Do not iron them, obviously, and that will maintain the life of these rags. And again, these are going to be great on any surface. They're super soft. It's using that Nano Lawn fiber to pick up any lint. And I'll show you here what that looks like when I go ahead to clean a mirror that is very difficult to clean because paper towels always leave residue behind with Windex, but not when I use this microfiber. Let's go check it out. All right, I don't know if you can see here, but there's some smudge marks. It's very difficult to clean in this mirror because it's in these little like housing white boxes that surround it. So you can't really get a good wipe. But if I just gently wipe over these smudge marks, they disappear instantly, and you get this nice clean, nothing left behind. So you get some stuff in the corners here, and if you can see it, but if I do that, here's another one that's pretty dirty. I mean, I'm not using anything. Now you could use a little water if you had some maybe stickier residue on there, but this is just dry, and it actually does better than any paper towel or any chemical that you would possibly need to use. This is going to leave you a streak-free mirror, and it actually makes it so much easier to clean this in half the time. So there you have it. Cleaning mirrors. It's a lifesaver when it comes to mirrors. So definitely check these out. Highly recommend. Shout out to the company for gifting me these so I could do a review.